Normet is your expert partner for safe and effective sprayed concrete rock support operations. From mines to civil engineering structures, we're there for you throughout the entire process. A successful sprayed concrete project starts with an understanding of design requirements, knowing the availability of raw materials and overcoming logistical challenges. We can create a complete mix design, manage a development program and take care of compliance testing, approvals and technical reports. Hydration control is critical to a successful underground sprayed concrete project. By adding Normet's TAMSEM HCA or HCA+, you can dramatically extend the open time to between 4 hours and 2 days. Normet's new generation of high-performance, alkali-free set accelerators offer improved fast setting and safer performance. They also offer excellent long-term stability, easier site handling logistics and better reactivity when cement quality is poor. We provide real-time tracking of on-site material consumption so you can monitor stock levels. And to make sure you have the construction chemicals you need, we offer IBC or bulk deliveries. Normet transmixers and agitators have a wide range of potential configurations for a safe and efficient way to transport concrete from the batching plant to the working area. Our mobile sprayers and trailer-mounted pumps can wet spray tunnels of up to 14 meters in height and 16 meters in width, and they come with either an electro-hydraulic or a diesel hydraulic setup. With sprayed concrete simulators, international accreditation programs, and the Normet Academy for employees and contractors, we give engineers and applicators the skills to operate our equipment in the most efficient and effective way possible. In addition to offering extensive training, Normet experts visit your site regularly. And if project requirements change, we'll help you to make adjustments to the mix design or application process. We are your sprayed concrete expert.